with Rossmönster Vans, and today I'm going to show you around this Sprinter that we just wrapped up. This is a Sprinter 170 4x4. We've also included a rip kit on this vehicle as well as a fuel tank upgrade. So this is going to have a 46-gallon fuel tank. Some other exterior features are these Aluminess nerf bars. We have an electric Fiamma awning up top. We have a porch light and awning light. We have a Thule rocket box up top. And then in the front here, we have a 300-watt 52-inch LED light bar. Another really nice feature of this van is the doors are electric. So it's just going to open right up for you. It's a half slide door. And then we can step inside and see what the inside has to offer. All right, welcome inside. So I'll go over the layout of this van, a few design features, and then we'll go through each section one at a time. So in the front of this van, we have our galley, a ton of storage, and then all of our upper cabinets. As we get to the passenger side, we have more upper cabinetry down the line here. We have our dinette, which also turns into a king-size bed. And then all the way in the rear, we have a full partition that takes you into the bathroom and closet. So we have a full-size closet back there, as well as a toilet and a shower. So we'll start up here and go back. When it comes to design features in this van, we have white painted 5-panel cabinetry. We have Acacia flooring. And then we have walnut butcher block countertops, as well as a walnut table that we can mount in the dinette. So let's start in the kitchen and go on back. So in the kitchen of this van, we have some really nice drawers. All of these are going to be on RV latches to make sure that nothing jangles around while they're driving. We also have a 15x20 Rivati sink, and then a dual Dometic induction burner back here. Lastly, we have a 4.6 cubic foot isotherm fridge and freezer. This is on a door swing, so tons of storage to keep all your goodies for your trip. Moving a little bit further back here, we have a super roomy dinette with leather upholstery. So you can have a lot of friends in here. Obviously, we have all of our uppers on both sides, and these are going to be on gas struts, so they open and close very nicely. And then we just have a few walnut cubbies throughout, just for a little bit of extra storage. So we'll go ahead and put the table up so you can see the full dinette effect, and then we'll turn it into a bed. So there we go, we have our walnut table in the dinette area. So once we have the bed all laid out, this is what it looks like. We have a nice comfortable cushion there, and then a roughly king-size bed, just shy of a king size. Another really nice thing about this dinette area is that it is where we're housing our electrical systems. So on the driver's side of the vehicle, under this cabinet, we actually have 510 amp hours of AGM supercycle battery. We have a 3,000 watt inverter, and we have 100 watts of solar coming in. And then on the passenger side, under the dinette, we have our 3-stage clear source water filter and our 30-gallon fresh water tank. This is also where we're going to house the Rixen system so that there's hot water and heat in this van. When it comes to airflow in this van, we have a Dometic Penguin AC unit up top that will be run off of the generator or when using shore power. And then we also have a max air fan in the rear over the bathroom area. One of my favorite features of this van is all of the natural light that it has. So we have 2 C.R. Lawrence T-vent windows in the front here, and then 2 C.R. Lawrence fixed windows in the rear. So nothing intruding your view, just a ton of light coming in. The other nice thing about these windows is that this client opted for a ton of really nice blackout shades. So super nice to let the light in, but also nice to have some privacy when you want it. When it comes to systems in this vehicle, we have our 700-watt microwave here for easy cooking on some nights. And then as per usual, we have our dimmable LED dome lights. We have dimmable over cab lights. And then we have our under cab lights here. We have bathroom lights for when we go all the way through the partition in the rear. And then we have a porch light and an awning light. And that awning light goes with our retractable Fiamma awning. So that's going to be completely electric, don't have to fiddle with anything manual. And then we also have our PowerTech generator. That's what he's going to be running his Dometic Penguin AC unit off of. And then lastly, we have our Rixen system for the cabin heat and hot water. So let's take it to the back and check out the bathroom area and closet. All right, let's head back and check out the closet and shower. So something that's really nice about this van that we haven't done too much of is that we actually have a full cabinet door to get into this rear area. And then we have its own switch, so it's like a separate little compartment. So within this separate bathroom area in the back, we have a soft shower curtain, an aluminum shower pan, and then we also have our Thetford porta potty. So this can either be used in the van or taken elsewhere when you get to camp. We also have a really nice closet area here, floor to ceiling. That's going to have a hanger and also has space for shelves to go in. And then on the left side of this, we've kept enough space that skis can be stored there during the winter. So in the rear of this van, we have some Aluminess gear. We have our tire carrier, our storage box, and then we have our bike rack up top. Additionally, you can see our Aluminess roof rack that has a perforated floor, so you can walk around up there. It's going to drain, nothing's going to get stuck, as well as some exterior lights so you can check out camp in the dark.